What if I told you that there are thousands of people in the UK sitting on tax-free investment portfolios worth over £1 million? No, they didn't win the lottery or inherit a fortune. They built their wealth using ISAs. So how did they do it? And more importantly, how can you follow in their footsteps? Stay with me until the end because I'll be sharing the key strategies ISA millionaires swear by. Strategies that could set you on the path to financial freedom. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're uncovering the secrets of ISA millionaires, real investors who have grown their portfolios to over £1 million completely tax-free. According to HMRC, nearly 5,000 people in the UK have achieved this incredible milestone. But what's their secret? It's not about having a six-figure salary or taking massive risks. Instead, ISA millionaires consistently follow a few key strategies. In this video, I'll break down these strategies so you can apply them to your own financial journey. Let's dive in. One of the most powerful habits of ISA millionaires is that they max out their ISA allowance whenever possible. Right now, the annual ISA allowance is £20,000. If you consistently invest this full amount into an index fund tracking the S&P 500, which has delivered on average 10.13% since 1957, you could reach £1 million in just 17 years. At a slightly more conservative 7% return, it would take 21 years. Now let's compare that to a cash savings account. One of the best savings rates available today is 4.75% from Chase, which means you'd need 25 years to hit £1 million. But if you're only managing 2% in a standard savings account, that timeline stretches to over 34 years, which is double the time it takes with an S&P 500 index fund. This is why ISA millionaires prioritize investing over holding too much cash. While cash has its uses, long-term wealth is built by investing in assets that outpace inflation and compound over time. Now I understand that not everyone can invest £20,000 a year, but the key takeaway is to start with what you can and stay consistent. Even if you're starting with smaller amounts, setting a long-term goal can help you stay motivated. Another common trait among ISA millionaires is that they started early. Many ISA millionaires start investing in their 20s, allowing them to reach a seven-figure portfolio by their 40s. And that's the power of compound growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. So if you're wondering whether it's too late to start, remember this: the best time to invest was 20 years ago, and the second best time is right now. ISA millionaires don't just throw their money at random stocks. They diversify. A report by Charles Stanley found that millionaire ISAs tend to hold 64% in individual stocks and 36% in funds, ETFs, and investment trusts. This balance helps reduce risk while still allowing for strong growth. Whether you prefer individual stocks or funds, the key is to spread your investments across different sectors and regions. Reinvesting dividends is a game changer. Many ISA millionaires credit compounding returns as the reason their portfolios grew so large. Think of it like this: every time you reinvest dividends, you're buying more shares. Over time, those additional shares generate their own returns, creating a snowball effect. So let your money make you more money. Markets go up and down. It's just part of investing. But ISA millionaires don't panic. They stay invested through market crashes and corrections, knowing that in the long run, the market tends to recover and grow. As the investing legend Warren Buffett wisely puts it, time in the market beats timing the market. In other words, if you're constantly jumping in and out trying to predict the next crash, you're likely missing out on long-term gains. While many ISA millionaires manage their own portfolios, some seek guidance from financial advisors. Having a professional in your corner can help you create a personalized strategy, avoid costly mistakes, and stay disciplined. If you're new to investing or unsure about your strategy, getting expert advice can be a smart move. To conclude, becoming an ISA millionaire is possible. And as we've seen, the strategies are simple. Max out your ISA allowance whenever you can. 2. Start early and stay consistent. 3. Diversify your investments wisely. 4. Reinvest your dividends. 5. Stay invested even during market downturns. And finally, consider seeking professional advice if needed. The journey to financial freedom takes time, but every step you take today brings you closer to that goal. So, are you ready to start your journey to becoming an ISA millionaire? Let me know in the comments. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. I've got plenty more investing content coming your way, so stay tuned.